Good evening. Today we have with us Mr. Devanshu Patel, who is President of Lions Club Nagpur, and Mr. Chetan Marwa sir, who is the Vice President of Lions Club Nagpur. And they both will brief us with the health facilities and activities which they provide in Nagpur. So please.
First of all, I would like to tell something about Lions Club International. Lions Club International is the largest service provider in the whole world, which covers 208 countries, and it has more than 1.35 million members, and it has about 46,000 clubs all over the world. It was founded by Sir Melvin Jones in 1917, and its objective was a business group which later on grew and similar groups were formed. Then they came on a single platform, and Lions Club International, a common group, was formed. Thereafter it spread its activities around the world. So we are belonging to Lions Club of Nagpur, which is the oldest club in Nagpur, and the second oldest, fourth oldest in Maharashtra.
Okay.
Second oldest in Maharashtra and fourth oldest in India. Sorry.
Okay.
And we have established in 1957. We got our charter in 1957. Thereafter, we are continuously serving the society. And this year, as I am the club president, we have various projects in our hand. We have concentrated on some main projects such as blood donation camps, traffic awareness programs, site first programs, and other programs related to the community services like health checkup camps. So Mr. Marwa will tell something.
Sure. As the President Devanshu told you, we have undertaken various projects. Specifically, we are working on traffic awareness, blood donation and health sector, because we feel that despite of all the facilities provided by the government, we are still lacking. A majority of the persons, majority of the population of slum areas, they are not getting the treatment they should get, and sometimes the awareness problem is also there. So being a part of a NGO, it is our responsibility कि we should see कि maximum हम कैसे इन लोगों तक के ये facilities पहुंचाएं, and to make them aware also, so that it should not happen again and again. So this is the main thing, and we are focusing more on the school children as far as their ophthalmic checkups are concerned, because student of standard 5th to 7th, it is the major group where we should concentrate as far as the ophthalmic checkup is concerned, because at that age sometimes the student is not in a position to tell the parents or the teachers कि there is some problem in the vision. He just complains कि मेरा सिर दुख रहा है, या I cannot see the board, and what the teacher do, they just change the position of the student कि आप अभी last bench पे बैठते, you come in the first bench. And even the parents, they are not aware most of the times, they are not educated most of the times. So the things are lying like that only, and in future it creates major problem. So we are focusing on that particular age group. And recently we had a good eye ophthalmic camp at Shukrwari. There is one school, Saraswati Madhyamik Shala. वहाँ पर हम लोगों ने around 108 students का ophthalmic checkup किया, जिसमें से 19 students we got with this problem, and 2 with a major retina problem. And they were not knowing. That was a very complicated case, and that we have referred to ophthalmologist. वो वहाँ पे उनका treatment के लिए हमने refer किया. We were even providing the specs also to. Next, also we are going to organize such camps in a bigger school. We have some discussion is going on with other schools, and we are working on that. And especially on traffic awareness also, we are working this year. We have put some banners for public awareness, you can say, with coordination of HPCL, Hindustan Petroleum. We are putting big hoardings in their petrol pumps to make people aware and to request them rather to obey traffic rule for the safety of all.
So we have heard that you have service week from 2nd October to 8th October. Could you please elaborate, tell us more about the week?
Yes, inspired by Mahatma Gandhi, the international itself, Lions International, has started from 2nd of October, which happens to be the birth of Mahatma Gandhi. From 2nd of October, though we work throughout the year, all 365 days, we take various projects. But as far as this service week is concerned, we concentrate more on various projects. Sometimes we give some theme to our members and all to work on the specific project on that single day.
Okay.
From 2nd to 8th every year, we take at least one project per day.
Okay.
Sometimes we take more per day, but minimum one project per day. As Sunday was the day for blood donation, it was said for blood donation. We had a very good camp with NCC in Nagpur.
Okay.
These are some themes on which we work during our October service.
Okay. So could you please tell us about the funds, who provide funds to you, or anybody like from the group or from the club, like?
Basically, we have two arrangements for this. If the projects are permanent, like permanent dispensary or school or a hospital or a rehabilitation center or something related with the employment, and if we submit a proposal to the international, we get very good funds from them, up to 70, excluding the cost of the building and excluding the cost of the land. They provide us 75% of the total project. Only 25% has to be taken care by our local body. Otherwise, as far as the small projects are concerned, we manage the funds within the clubs or whatever our social circle we have. We go to them. Sometimes we go to the companies for sponsorship, and we get all the help from the society itself. And in the return, we provide them with the service projects to the needy.
Thank you so much, sir, for taking your time for us. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. It's our pleasure.